In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in a Confluence page. Let's dive right in and explore the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your Confluence account. This is pretty straightforward. Just use your usual login credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your workspace. Now, if you're wondering how to get to your workspace, it's usually accessible from your main dashboard or home screen after you've logged in. Next, you need to open the Confluence page where you wish to add the table. Once you've found the correct page, click on the three dots next to it. This will bring up a menu, and from here, choose the Edit option. This will allow you to make changes to your selected page. Now that you're in editing mode, there are a few ways that you can insert a table. Let's start with the toolbar method. Look for the table icon in the editor toolbar and click it. This action will automatically put a basic table into your page. But if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's another quick method you can try. Simply type a / followed by the word table, that's table, and then press the enter key. This command will also insert a table right where your cursor is. Once you've added your table, it's time to customize it to suit your needs. To add more rows or columns, move your cursor over the table. You'll see little plus icons appear at the edges of the rows and columns. Clicking these icons will allow you to add rows below or columns to the right of your current selection. If you find you've added too many rows or columns or simply need to remove some, there's an easy way to do so. Click on the row or column you intend to remove, hover your mouse over the edge, and when you see the six-dot menu icon appear, click it. This will give you an option to delete row, among others. Choose that, and your row or column will be removed. Do you need to tweak some more table options? Just click on the Table Options button located below the table. This will grant you access to various settings like adding header rows or numbered columns to further customize your table structure. Finally, if you want to format specific cells, it's simple to do. Click within any cell, and a down arrow will appear. Click it to reveal a menu with multiple formatting options. Here, you can adjust settings such as background colors and even merge cells if necessary. There you have it, a thorough rundown on how to create and customize a table in Confluence. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have further questions or need additional tips, feel free to explore Confluence's help resources or contact your workspace admin for support.